Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service, where I'm your host, Yogi. Here at Yogi Cycle Service, we do everything motorcycle related. Service, repair, maintenance, and basically everything Yogi related. Today, we're going to talk about the Orphan Run. Why? Because it's Wednesday. When you watch this, it'll be Friday, which means the Orphan Run will be tomorrow. Holy crap. Holy cow. Are we ready? Yes, we are. We are ready. So, logistics and details. We will hold Iron Saturday at the Starbucks in Concord at 8 a.m. like we do every week, right by the intersection of 85 and 29 in Concord. Anybody is welcome to come out to that. This week, we're going to be discussing one of the parables. And then we'll split a crew off about 8:45 to head down to the Speedway to start getting registration tables and getting everything set up, because Speedway Harley opens at 9. The rest of us who are still at Iron Saturday will split off about 9:15 and head down there. At 10 o'clock, we are going to be doing a bike blessing before the Orphan Run starts, because let's face it, 2020 has been kind of a mess, right? You know, pandemics, riots, kids not going back to school, driving their parents insane. Yeah. It's been quite a year, all right? So, hey, we can use all the blessings we can get. So if you want to get you and your bike blessed, be at Speedway Harley on Speedway Boulevard in Concord, North Carolina at 10 o'clock this Saturday, September 5th. At 10:45, we will do a pre-ride talk, because we plan on being kickstands up at 11 o'clock. It is roughly a 60-mile route, which will go north from Speedway Harley-Davidson up towards Kannapolis, hit Route 3, bend over around Kannapolis, cut through over off Irish Potato Road, Gold Hill Road, cut its way down to Mount Pleasant, and then come back over and come back in on 49 up Moorhead and into the back way to Speedway Harley-Davidson. So about a 60-mile ride. So if you ride a sporty or a small tank bike, you should be able to make it. It will be a police escort ride. So this is the 7th year we have done the Orphan Run. This will be the first year we've done a police escort ride. Now, I'm not sure how many people are going to turn up. Is the answer to that question. I don't know how many people are going to be there. So on our event page on Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club, on our public page, the event is listed, and 700 people said they were interested or going. I don't think 700 people are going to show. Probably, like I was talking to my buddy Hazen yesterday. Oh, by the way, he's cooking the food, so I want to thank All Word Masonry. He is supplying 250 pounds, I think it's pork shoulders, and he's going to be cooking all night Friday night. He's going to be up all night long. So by the time he gets there Saturday to serve the food, because you do get free food when you ride in our ride. And incidentally, it's $15 per rider, $20 for 2 up. Free food. We have shirts made. They're $20 for up to extra large, and $25 for 2X and up. But he'll be cooking all day Friday. And I totally forgot where my train of thought was before I got chased that rabbit down the hole. 2-mile police escort, 7th year. Yes, that's where we were. 7th year. So this is our 7th year. And this is the first year we're going to have it be police escorted. Last year we had about 80 bikes in the ride. And it was a little bit more than my comfort level for using blockers and not having a police escort. Once it gets past 80 riders, you're really stretching a pack kind of long. So I really wanted a police escort this year. I don't know if we're gonna have more than 80 riders. I certainly hope so. From what it sounds like, there's gonna be a fairly good showing this year. So I think we have a chance to be the biggest year ever. A lot of sponsors have stepped up this year. I'd love to name them all, but I know I'm going to miss some. So Speedway Harley for hosting us. Ben Avenue Free Will Baptist Church, again, for hosting our guys who coming in out of town. And we're going to do some church services there on Sunday. So if you want to keep hanging out for Disciple through the weekend after the run's over, be at Ben Avenue Free Will Baptist Church in Kannapolis, Sunday at 10 o'clock. One of our guys will be preaching there. So Speedway Harley, Ben Avenue Baptist Church, All Word Masonry for bringing in the food. Chuck with CE3 Productions for a cash donation. My man Joey, I forget the name of his company, but they got some of the employees together, donated $800. What's up, y'all? Yeah. Bliss Plumbing, 2 others. Come to the event. I'm going to have them written down, and I'm going to be announcing them all. I will have all those details. I'm sorry, I've just been doing so much, I forget. So we've been very blessed this year with corporate sponsorship, so I thank you to all of our corporate sponsors. And incidentally, all the corporate sponsors are on the back of the shirt. So if I had a shirt with me, I could tell you, but I don't. But I did pick them up this morning. They're actually at the house. I picked up, we manufactured, made, printed, whatever you want to call it, 100 shirts. So those are ready for sale. I already covered pricing on them, covered the route, covered the ride. I think that wraps it up for the most part. So with your event, with buying a wristband for the event, like I said, you will get fed. We will have the pork by All Word Masonry. It comes with buns, slaw, beans, and a drink. So you want to fill your belly? It's a great place to do it. Speedway Harley-Davidson. I hope to see you all there this Saturday, September 5th. Bike Blessing at 10 a.m. Co-sponsored with East Coast Cruisers, and our rides starting kickstands up at 11. Be ready at 10:45. We're going to do a ride briefing. So everybody's up to speed on what we're doing and where we're going and how it's going to go down. That way we keep the entire pack safe for when we get back. So thank you, Yogi Clan, for supporting me in this. Go to my Facebook page, share the event. One other thing we did different this year is I posted that event on Yogi Cycle Service, and I bought $75 worth of advertising. I know for a fact today it said that it was put in front of 4,000 different people, all within a 50-mile radius of Speedway Harley-Davidson. So hopefully we get some more general public attention, get some more attention to the Orphan Run, and get some more attention to Yogi Cycle Service. So thank you for joining me. Please say a prayer that everyone is safe, that this is a successful ride, and we can raise some money for Sacred Selections. If you don't know what Sacred Selections is, Google it. Awesome grant organization that helps give money to families like ours when it comes to expenses for adoption. See some of my other Orphan Run videos. It'll explain it also. So I hope to see you there on Saturday. Yogi Clan. Love y'all, and thank you for the support. Peace.